Question number 19 is another one of our theta parajumbles. So let us go ahead and see what we have here. Sentence 1, language models such as Lambda and Chat GPT, Chat GPT, which is the flavor of the season, are examples in that they work by drawing upon an absolutely vast corpus of, okay, they basically describe language models. Second, most AI works very differently from a biological brain, all right. 3, it is not the same functional organization in new substrate. It, what, that's a clue. And fourth has but the vast majority of AI research is not like this. What? Now, when I read all of these sentences together, I realized that fourth was very misleading. Fourth would have troubled a lot of people. You know why? We at times have this tendency to look for the opening sentence and we subconsciously reject sentences like fourth. But that's not right. A paragraph can start with but. For that matter, the 4 sentences that are given to us in the question may not even give you a paragraph right from the beginning. So when I checked the other 3, I realized that I have no reference for this but or the this mentioned in sentence 4, which automatically meant that I have to put it at the beginning. There is nowhere else can I put it. What else do I have here? Okay. If you look at it logically, 4 and 2 should go together. Why? If I ignore the but for the time being, look at the idea. The vast majority of AI research is not like this. Most AI works very differently from a biological brain. So probably the idea prior to this was how a biological brain works and acquires knowledge, and then fourth comes in, and then second goes on to explain how it is different, how AI actually goes on to work. So that is where 4 and 2 make sense together. And then in the third, this it, when I started looking for a reference, I realized that 2 and 4 have absolutely nothing. 1 does have something, you know, this example, this process through which language models work. That process can be referred to using it. So grammatically at least, that's legit. Otherwise, in terms of ideas, there is no strong correlation there. So I basically worked it through the process of elimination. 2 and 4 have absolutely nothing. 1 has something that grammar allows. So 1 and 3. And then since first is being mentioned as an example of AI, now this is where we are using a bit of a GK. And I think we all know about Chat GPT, and that is artificial intelligence. So it's not a highly specialized GK either. This basically tells me that 1 should come after 2. Now, if I combine all of these 3 things together, our sequence should be 4, 2, 1, and 3. You can actually have a look at this sequence and you'd notice that it does make sense. So that's question number 19, 4213 for you.